Get ready, tech titans and sports fanatics, because Microsoft Sphere is dropping the hottest news of the week. We're diving deep into Oracle's stock market roller coaster, uncovering the latest on Dodgers legend Clayton Kershaw's potential final games, and dissecting Oracle's massive cloud deals that have Wall Street buzzing. Plus, we've got an insider look at whether Oracle stock is a buy or a hold right now. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. First up is Oracle's stock price taking a nosedive, and should you be worried? We've got the latest analysis on ORCL's recent performance and what it means for your portfolio. Is it time to sell or hold tight? Then, we're heading to the ballpark as Dodgers star Clayton Kershaw navigates questions about a potential final start at Oracle Park and whispers of retirement. What's next for the pitching icon? And finally, we're breaking down the massive cloud deals that have Oracle's backlog soaring and analyzing whether this tech giant stock is poised for more gains or a pullback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oracle stock plummets, sell or hold. Oracle Corporation saw its stock price take a significant hit, dropping 4.5% on Thursday. Trading as low as $317.56, and closing around $313.66, this dip has investors wondering if it's time to cash out or double down. With 9,089,560 shares trading hands midday, the market is clearly reacting to something. This isn't just a random fluctuation. Wall Street analysts have been weighing in. Morgan Stanley and J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. have adjusted their price targets, while Piper Sandler and Stifel Nicolaus have issued overweight and buy ratings, respectively, suggesting a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook from some quarters. Despite the recent dip, Oracle reported impressive quarterly earnings, beating consensus estimates with $1.70 EPS and a revenue of $15.9 billion, marking an 11.3% increase year-over-year. The company also maintains a strong return on equity of 72.93% and a healthy net margin of 21.08%. However, insider activity shows some executives, like EVP Maria Smith and insider Michael D. Cecilia, have been selling shares, though the majority of the stock remains firmly in institutional hands. Community discussions and analyst reports on Microsoft Sphere highlight that while Oracle has a moderate buy rating on average, top-rated analysts might be recommending other stocks as better investments right now. Will Oracle's stock recover from this dip, or is this the start of a longer downturn? We've got the full breakdown you need to make informed decisions. Next, we're catching up with a Dodgers legend facing his own career crossroads. Clayton Kershaw's potential farewell start at Oracle Park. Dodgers icon Clayton Kershaw is nearing the end of his 18th season, and with speculation about his potential retirement after 2025, every start carries extra weight. This was especially true for his recent outing at Oracle Park, his 63rd career game against the San Francisco Giants and 31st time pitching in their home ballpark. When asked if this might be his final start at Oracle Park, Kershaw, speaking to David Vasseg of AM 570 LA Sports, deflected the question, stating his focus is on the Dodgers' current fight for the NL West title. He expressed a desire to simply enjoy pitching there when he gets the chance, rather than dwelling on finality. The game itself wasn't Kershaw's best, as he allowed 4 runs in the first inning and completed only 3 innings, exiting with the Dodgers trailing. This was his shortest outing since May. However, his track record at Oracle Park is stellar, boasting a lifetime 1.84 ERA across 200.1 innings pitched, including a memorable complete game shutout in 2015 to clinch the NL West. Despite a year of surgeries and declining a player option for 2025, Kershaw returned strong this season, holding a 10-2 record with a 3.53 ERA over 20 starts. Fans on social media are buzzing about his future, with many hoping for one more season, while others prepare for the possibility of his departure. Will Kershaw decide to hang up his cleats, or will we see him on the mound for another season? Next, we're diving back into the world of tech with a massive financial story from Oracle. Oracle's cloud surge, can stock keep its gains? Oracle's stock experienced a significant post-earnings spike, driven by a massive backlog figure tied to multi-year AI and cloud contracts. But the question remains, can it sustain this momentum? In its first quarter of fiscal 2026, Oracle reported a 12% year-over-year revenue increase to $14.9 billion, with cloud infrastructure revenue climbing an impressive 55% to $3.3 billion. The standout figure, however, was its remaining performance obligations, RPO, which soared 359% to $455 billion. This surge is attributed to several multi-billion-dollar customer contracts, prompting CEO Safra Catz to call the results astonishing and highlight building demand for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. The key challenge now is the conversion of this backlog into revenue. Oracle has outlined a multi-year recognition plan, about 10% within the next 12 months, 25% in months 1336, 34% in months 3760, and the rest after 5 years. This phased approach requires patience, and investors are watching closely to see if Oracle can deploy data center capacity on schedule and if customers ramp up consumption as planned. Risks include potential timing slippage, in capacity expansion, and integration with partners. Management has provided a detailed multi-year outlook for OCI revenue, projecting a rise to $18 billion this fiscal year, climbing to $144 billion by fiscal year 5, with most of this revenue already booked in the RPO. Oracle Chairman Larry Ellison also pointed to surging multi-cloud database revenue with major players like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, alongside new AI-centric database capabilities that could further fuel demand. Despite Thursday's pullback, the stock is trading near all-time highs, making it susceptible to disappointment if conversion or capacity ramps falter. With such a massive backlog, is Oracle's future secured, or are there hidden risks investors need to know? We'll break down the latest analyst takes on whether Oracle is a buy, hold, or a pass. Oracle stock, a hold not a buy right now. Following a massive sequential increase in its RPO, now sitting at a staggering $455 billion, analysts are initiating coverage on Oracle Corporation with a hold rating, advising caution for eager investors. This substantial RPO figure, reportedly bolstered by a potential $300 billion OpenAI deal, signifies immense future revenue potential. However, the sheer scale and the multi-year nature of these commitments mean that immediate returns are not guaranteed. Analysts are scrutinizing the conversion timeline and Oracle's ability to scale its cloud infrastructure to meet these demands. While the backlog is a strong indicator of future business, the path to realizing that revenue involves significant operational execution. Concerns revolve around the timing of data center capacity deployment and the pace at which customers will ramp up their consumption of Oracle's cloud services. This has led to a consensus among some analysts that while Oracle's long-term prospects remain robust, rushing to buy the stock at its current valuation might not be the wisest move. The market is watching closely to see if Oracle can translate this record backlog into tangible, near-term financial gains. The hold rating suggests that while the company is in a strong position, the current market conditions and the inherent complexities of realizing such a large backlog warrant a patient, wait-and-see approach from investors. So, what's the final verdict on Oracle? Is it a smart buy, or should you wait for a better entry point? Stay tuned as we wrap up all the top stories with a quick recap. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Oracle's stock saw a significant dip, leaving investors questioning the next move. Dodgers legend Clayton Kershaw is navigating potential career milestones amidst retirement whispers. Oracle's massive cloud backlog signals future growth, but analysts are urging a hold for now. Don't miss out on any of our exclusive content. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all the latest tech and sports news, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Follow us on all our social channels for more insights.